The GTE Financial Go Forward Mastercard is designed for one main thing: helping people establish or rebuild their credit while keeping costs low. It has no annual fee, and its fixed APR between 13.24% and 17.99% means interest rates stay predictable, even if the market shifts. This is especially valuable for anyone worried about sudden increases that can happen with variable rates. It is accessible for a wide range of users, including students, first-time credit card holders, and those repairing past credit mistakes, and it comes with the option for both secured and unsecured accounts, depending on your credit profile. Security is also a core part of the package, with Mastercard's zero liability protection against unauthorized purchases and the ability to manage the account through the GTE Cards app. A nice touch is the Design Your Own Card feature, which allows customizing the card's look with a personal image, something not typically seen on entry-level credit products. The trade-off is that the Go Forward Mastercard skips rewards entirely. There is no cashback, no travel points, and no welcome bonus, which makes it less appealing for anyone wanting to get more back from their spending. It is a pure credit-building tool, so those with strong credit and a focus on earnings should look at alternative cards with higher returns on purchases. In summary, this card shines if the goal is to build or rebuild credit while keeping things simple and affordable. The stability of a fixed APR and the lack of an annual fee give it long-term practicality. But without rewards or sign-up bonuses, it is not a great match for users seeking extra perks. It works best as a stepping stone, helpful while establishing credit discipline, but something you may eventually upgrade from once your credit is strong enough to qualify for a more feature-rich card.